traditional quickie gifty is what I call it, that I've been doing for years, is using coffee cups, these disposable coffee cups that you can find at a party store. And I love to fill them with breakfast goods. So like those people you need a last minute gift to, or you know, something you just want to drop off on someone's desk. And I've been doing this for so long, but I want to bring in some paper crafting. Will you help me?
Yes.
I love a cute tag.
The Sunday brunch stuff would be perfect for that.
It would be perfect.
Coffee cup, coffee stand.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna help us make a tag, right? Or are you gonna make the cup first?
Let's start with a cup and then I'll show you my idea for a tag.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
So get your coffee cup, your disposable coffee cup. You could probably do a real one if you wanted to, but I always like disposable because it's like breakfast literally in a bag. Breakfast in a bag delivered.
Cool.
And so I'm gonna take the cup, we're gonna put it into the cellophane, and I love paper shred, so let's add a little bit of paper shred to this.
Brittany touch, you have to have some paper shred.
I kind of like for some of the paper shred to fall to the bottom a little bit.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take the top to the cup, and let's put it behind our cup here.
Okay, so in case they use it later.
Yes.
Gotcha.
And so in the cup is everything they need for breakfast, which of course, number one is caffeine. So let's put a K-cup in there.
Okay.
And then some sort of a breakfast bar, a cookie. You guys probably
granola
have
bar,
some of these things at home. Yes, yes. And so then I'll gather it right at the top and I'll just tie it off.
Before you tie it, check out this idea. Check it out.
What is this? Tell me.
So all we did was we took the little, look, check it out. We took the old like Starbucks thing or whatever you have that's like the thing, and then we traced it with our pattern paper. Look how cute.
No way.
You can make your own little band that goes around
So
there.
take this off and trace it.
Yeah. So all of our new prints, these prints are called Sunday Adventure. There are new prints that just came out.
Love this.
Look at the little coffee cup.
That is so cute. Okay, so we're just gonna wrap it and maybe glue it.
You know, you could never get this to fit unless you traced it.
Never.
At least I couldn't. It would be all like wonky. But since you traced it out, helps if I do it right side up.
That
Wrap it around
is brilliant,
glue
Kim.
it.
Has anyone
still have it
told
upside
you
down.
today how brilliant you are?
But look, I'm not that brilliant because my coffee cups are upside down.
Gosh. Oh, that's okay. That's all right. You guys get the point, don't you?
We'll retrace it and then, yeah. So, but it does fit perfectly.
How cute that is, you guys.
A little bit of craft glue. Ding.
Okay,
Perfect.
I'm gonna glue
it's
this.
actually kind of cute upside down.
I kind of like it like that. Let me see. Should I glue it on there?
Glue it on there.
I think it's kind of cute.
And I'll make a little tag.
You make us a tag, okay.
Okay. So I'm going to use the Sunday brunch, the Sunday morning stamp set, because it has the cute little coffee cup.
Can we
Stamp it right on here.
show them how cute the waffle is too?
Oh, of course. So I'm just doing a little coffee cup and adding a little face. I'll try to show it for the camera.
He's so cute.
I'm trying to put it for this camera. I don't know if it'll really show. We'll do close-up pictures of these guys later. So then you're going to trim it out. But then look what we did with the little waffle stamp.
I love the waffle stamp. So you really use the waffle stamp as the background,
Yeah,
right?
just for fun.
And then put the coffee on top.
Real quick.
I'm still holding my craft glue. Look how cute this is, guys.
Just takes a minute to dry.
All right, so now I'm ready to put this in the bag, right?
Exactly.
Oh my gosh,
Tie
that
up
was
the
such a
top,
great idea,
little
Kim.
Well, it adds a lot of color, I think.
It does.
Oh, you didn't hold it long enough. One more minute, you'd be good.
Yeah, look.
So let's show them what the finished one is.
Okay.
This is a different print from our craft paper, but look how cute.
How sweet. Yes, I love it.
So cute, and then the little smiley face.
He's fresh.
So cute. So it's all breakfast in a cup. You've got everything in here. You pass this out to your friends,
Yep.
neighbors, bring it to work. That'll be so fun. Bring it to work and leave one on everybody's desk.
Yes, and how simple is it? I mean,
so we have to make like 25 of these.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay.